The number one risk in any commercial kitchen is the extractor system. Have you ever seen footage of what a fire looks like? I can assure you it's pretty frightening, and the speed in which it occurs and spreads is dangerous for anyone involved. If you haven't had your extractor system professionally cleaned within the correct time frame, not only are you risking lives and risking prosecution, but in the case of a fire, your insurance company can say your policy is void and will not pay out. Many times this results in businesses failing. That is what could be within your system right now, and is just one reason it is a fire risk. The other is a malfunction of a fan, due to it working too hard to get past all the clogged up fat and grease buildup. It could be under unnecessary strain, costing you extra money to keep it running, but effectively it's running like a ticking time bomb. So why take the risk? With Vapor Clean local specialist technicians just around the corner, you don't need to worry about lost trading hours, a bill that is enough to make you faint, or cowboys trying to pull the wool over your eyes. Vapor Clean professional technicians have been completing extractor system cleans for many years, ensuring the full system is cleaned, from canopy, full length of duct, the fan and the exit, meeting BESA TR19 standards and providing a full post-clean pack shortly after completion, consisting of before and after pictures, a post-clean report and a certificate of cleaning, all of which your insurance company will want to see. Call today to arrange a free quote visit, a fixed cost quote provided with clear instructions of what will be completed. The work booked for a day and time that suits you, ensuring minimum fuss and no downtime for your business. Cleans being completed 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And for all of you chefs, remember two things. We understand what it is like to come into a messy kitchen, so we like to leave it cleaner than when we found it. But most importantly, you could be held responsible in the case of a fire for not meeting your responsibilities. So if you want to put us to the test or want to find out more, please contact us now. Thank you.